Let's begin standing facing the long edge of our mat in mountain pose. Hands off the body, connect to your breath. Inhale, arms up. Side bend to the right. To the left. Back to center. Hands to heart. Going into tree pose on the right side. Position your foot, bringing hands to heart or up overhead. Release with control. Let's do that on the opposite side. Tree pose on the left. Take your time getting into position. And release. Step your feet to a wide stance, toes pointing out to the corners of your mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to goddess pose with cactus arms. Inhale, straighten up. Exhale, return to goddess pose, this time with eagle arms, right arm over left. Inhale, straighten up. Exhale, return to goddess, eagle arms, left over right. Inhale, straighten up. Send the arms out wide. Rotate to the right edge of your mat to a warrior one pose. Bending through the front knee, raise the arms. Open up to warrior two. To extended side angle. Reverse warrior. Straighten the front leg to triangle pose. Lower the top hand and revolve your triangle. Both hands down, bend the front knee to a runner's lunge. Rotate to low side lunge or skandasana, hands to heart or keeping them down on the mat for support. Shift over to the left side of your mat in low side lunge. Rotate to a runner's lunge facing the left side of your mat. Coming up to a warrior one. Open up to warrior two. To extended side angle. Reverse warrior. Straighten the front leg to triangle pose. To revolve triangle. Both hands down to runner's lunge. Rotate to a low side lunge. Shifting over to the right in low side lunge. Then pressing your hips up to a wide-legged forward fold. Hands down, shimmy your feet in to shoulder distance apart, lowering the hips to a garland pose. Hands to heart, get long through the back and neck as you lift through the chest. Make your way to seated with your legs extended together ahead of you. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Coming up, draw the left leg in, keeping the right leg extended. Fold to the inner edge of that right leg, reaching for the foot or ankle. Coming back up, shift your leg's position, bringing the right leg in, left leg extended. Fold to the inner edge of that left leg. Coming to seated, move your legs to a wide angle position, reaching for the ankles or the big toes. Fold forward, drawing your chest down as much as you comfortably can. Reach the left arm up and over towards the right side. Sweep across the front to side bend on the left. Coming back up to seated, draw the soles of the feet together in a bound angle position. Holding onto the ankles, feet, or big toes, engage the outer edges of the legs to draw the knees down towards your mat. You can stay seated up tall or fold forward. Releasing bound angle to an easy, comfortable position, resting your hands on your knees or folded in your lap, sitting up tall. Take a few deep breaths here to finish up.